talking about pregnancy diet, what happens is that a woman when she's pregnant goes her body or physical body and her hormonal body goes into a lot of changes. Due to that, the nutrition requirement also increases. So there are 3 or 4 nutrients I will be talking about and mainly focusing on. Number 1 is the calorie intake, because the pregnant woman is carrying a baby in the womb, so the calorie requirement increases automatically. That is like 600 to 800 kilocalorie increase should be done, and it can be taken from good sources of food like nutri-dense and calorie should be taken properly, not from the fried fruits or not from the foods which has high calorie like packaged food. Rather than that, home cooked simple food. And the other one I'm talking about is the calcium. The calcium requirement also increases and it becomes 1200 mg a day, because it is required for the growth of baby's bones. And the sources of calcium can be curd, can be milk, can be spinach, etc. And the other nutrient I'll be talking about is folate. The requirement of the folate changes in each trimester. For the first trimester, the requirement is 600 mcg, and for the next 2 trimester, the folate requirement increases from 600 to 800 mcg. And the sources of this folate nutrient is dried lentils, green leafy vegetables, and nuts, etc. And this folate is required so that the baby do not get any neural defects. Neural defects is all the brain related defects. And the last nutrient I'll be talking about is iron. Iron requirement is 27 mg, and the sources of iron are again the nuts, dry leafy vegetables, all the lentils, spinach, broccoli, etc. And for the pregnancy, we need to avoid on a lot of packaged foods, or maybe the servings of sugar, because there are high chances of getting gestational diabetes. And to avoid caffeine, alcohol, tobacco, and mainly focus on like good dairy products, high biological protein, maybe white meat, or maybe good cereals like high complex cereals like oats, etc. And mainly focus on fruits and vegetables. Vegetable juices can be incorporated, etc.